Viewers, let's test this power supply out. Get my test points on this side. So get my probe in there. Which one's ground? The second one's ground, not the blue. Alright. Blue is a standby 5 volts, so the second one is our ground, and we'll test the rest from there. So that's our reference point. I get the tripod set up and we'll start probing and testing. I'll plug it in. Like I said, a test before, I've come to the Variac and verified this trick does work. This is what replaces the deflection coil. The degaussing coil around the CRT. That'll short, and this resistor here will allow power to go through the rest of the power supply and run as normal. There you go, it chirped, so it's on, it's working. That relay though, since it doesn't have a standby transformer, it's interesting how that works. Something else triggers that relay. But according to the tests or quick checks I've done, I think this might actually be on. It's on all the time, yeah. The other circuit board with the standby circuitry on it's gone, so it's on all the time, yeah. That's been taken away. Second one, be very careful. There's heat sinks could even be live, so I might just do some probing on those. No. Alright, we'll go from here. Our second one. What have we got there? Nothing there. 0.5 volts in that one. 12.13 volts in that one. Bit hard to see which pin's what. I have to start marking these there. We've got 5 volts. That's our standby. Second last one, 17.4 volts. The last one doesn't seem to be anything. The blue one on the second loom there, 137.6 volts DC. Second one after that, doesn't seem to be anything. Not there. Not there. The last, very last, 65.6 volts. There we are, we've got some power there. Heat sink. Not live from what I can see. There you go, 100 volts. Yeah, not get that in measurement now. Hard to probe these. There we are, it works. Unplug safety first. Yeah, no, obviously not warm because I haven't put any load in it. Measure this filter capacitor. 5.3 volts. Okay, that's draining down. Normally if that was faulty, that would stay charged at full voltage. Had allowed that experience before, I went to bloody discharge it and boom. Bloody thing went through my arm. That wasn't a very pleasant experience, I tell you that. So if that stays charged, there's a fault somewhere, and that's not discharging. But that's actually discharging, so it's fine. No bang. This power supply appears to be okay. Yeah, very muck all over it. There we are, we've got some useful voltages on there. You just got to find which ground's for what plane. Find all the right ground points. I doubt pretty much chance, probably, I don't know, judging by the size of that, it'll probably be about 2 amps max you get out of this thing. I wouldn't run a ZVS so that'll probably blow the power supply up, but bog this down too hard. There you go, part. And the main switching, the main diodes that switch everything on the output. First to the second 2002. So it's about what, 13, They're 12 years old, I think. Anyway, got a good runner. I'm not as good as get out of these old TVs. Well, they're going to start getting in the habit of it. Every time I see an old TV on the side of the road, if I can't bring it home, I'll rip it open carefully and get the goodies out of it. Because these flybacks, these recoverable components, their days are numbered. Anyway, thanks for watching.